Dang, son. Okay. Gotta put this in. Hey guys, I know what I'm gonna do today. I know people have put me in their movies. I'm gonna react to it. Gotta turn this off. Who the heck is that? Okay. Friends have put me in their movies. Booyee. Okay, that sounds weird. Should we go down here and start with this one? Okay. To be honest, I reacted to some of these last night, but you know. Yeah, this lag is terrible. Just gonna sit here and wait. Oh dang, that was a long time ago. This is a really weird movie, but I'll give it to you. I'll give you 10 out of 10. I'll give you a 10 out of 10 for that, I guess. Quality Undertale. I saw that last night. Let's watch it again. Damn it. Okay. I'm Sam's and Smaz. Okay, I'm Sam's, okay. Oh, okay. That's pretty accurate, I guess. Food fight. Food or fight. I saw this one last night. It was pretty cool. She pretty. I might not react to all of these because there's a lot. I got some food and speakers and stuff. Well, what happened? You never wear a mask. I was going to the cupcakes and I saw a mask I liked. I don't believe that. I'm not even talking. Look at your mask. Whoa, what happened? Also have a hood. Why though? Fine, I'll tell you, but the guests that aren't close friends gotta leave. Okay. Okay, guessing I'm not a close friend. Okay, I'm sad. That's upsetting. I'm not gonna react to this one because it's weird. You should call me on my cell phone. That's the one that I saw last night. I saw this one too, and this one. And yeah, I saw. No, I didn't see this one. Gotta wait. Did it freeze? I tried to recreate in Minecraft. It must be. That made no sense whatsoever, but okay. That made no sense, but okay. I'll give it a good star rating though if it'll let me click. I don't know how to rate movies. Ooh. Good. It was a good. It was 10 out of 10. Gucci. You know what? I'm not gonna watch these because you know. Mm. You know, nobody's giving me any greets. Like, if you want to give me a greet, I'll give you a shout out. The onion. Oh, okay.